Hi everybody, Brett back altitude scale models with another scale model Quickie, number 7 it should be. Today we're going to look at a 3D printed resin engine that I bought from tx3d Customs. This came in yesterday. This is a 426 single carbureted Hemi. This is how it comes. All the parts are cleaned up. It's not stuck on the tree. Small bag of parts here, and the detail on this is just outstanding. Here's your block, the Hemi pistons in it. Here's where your transmission goes, and if you don't want to have your transmission on, you want to have it in a shop setting, you have detail. Great detail all around. Like I said, it came cleaned up like this. Here's the transmission. You can see a little remainder of the 3D legs. What a beautiful automatic transmission is. Here is a valve cover, Hemi valve cover, cylinder head attached, and I'm hoping this will show it. You actually have the two valves in there, the tops of the two valves on every cylinder, and all the boring holes and the head gasket. Everything. You've got headers. Beautiful headers. Look at that collector. Outstanding. Carburetor. Beautifully detailed. Oh, these Hemi heads. You could just attach spark plug boots to the top right there, because spark plugs are in there for wiring the engine. Just put the boots there and then stick the wire in, because you have this beautiful hollowed out distributor with the breather. Your alternator, again, beautifully done. Water pump. Again, you'll primer these up and you won't see those. Oil pan. Here's the intake. And you can see it's got this rectangle there, which fits into that slot right there. Perfect fit. And cylinder head. Use this one because the exhaust would go there. It's going to sit perfectly right there. Beautiful fit. Same with the water pump. It's going to sit. Just going to get on here correctly. Yeah, it was right the first time. It's going to fit right in there perfectly. Pulley, belts, alternator, distributor, carburetor, transmission. Here's your air cleaner. Very nicely done. Like I said, no cleanups. I paid for these, so this is not a promotional plug. This is, I got this and went, wow, there's some nice resin engines out there. But this one came all cleaned up and ready to build. So there you have it. tx3dcustoms.com, I'm pretty sure, but just type tx3d Customs into the search browser. He has all kinds of engines. Probably 20 in this, $20. There's also a dual carb version of this that I bought, which will just have a different intake and 2 carburetors. I'm ordering me some more because everybody knows I love detailing engines. This one will be going into a 1970 Dodge Challenger shaker. So look for that in a future build. But anyway, thanks for watching the scale model Quickie. Go out and buy yourself one of these engines today.